Welcome to English Conversation Hub, where you learn natural, real-life English the easy way. Today's conversation is all about handling a refund issue with customer service. If you've ever had to chase up a delayed payment or deal with a call center, this dialogue will help you learn the right phrases, polite expressions, and formal tone used in such situations. So, grab a notebook and let's get started with this useful English conversation. Hi, I'm following up on a refund I was promised. I was told the amount would be credited back to my account within 3 working days, but it's been over a week now. I'm really sorry to hear that, sir. Could you please provide your order ID or reference number so I can check the status for you? Yes, the reference number is 987654321. It was for a transaction made on the 20th. Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check the details. Sure. Thank you for waiting. I can see here that the refund was initiated on our end, but it appears to be stuck in processing from the payment gateway side. I completely understand your frustration, and I apologize for the delay. I understand delays happen, but I wasn't even informed. The earlier executive said 3 days, and it's been almost double that now. You're absolutely right. We should have followed up with you. I'll escalate this to our billing team immediately and mark it as urgent. You should receive the amount within the next 24 to 48 hours, all right? I hope this time it really gets done. Please send me an update over email as well. Certainly, I'll send a confirmation email with all the details right after this call. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that'll be all. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. And again, I apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for your patience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.